Hey everybody, Kids and Fun Toys here. Today we have the Lego Star Wars Poe's X-Wing Fighter. And this thing is huge and awesome, and it's really cool. You get 3 action figures and the BB-8 Droid. You get Poe, Resistant X-Wing Fighter, and a Resistance Ground Crew. And that's what it looks like. And let's check out the back here. You can see everything that it comes with. It comes with all of this ammunition, missiles. It has 4 spring-loaded shooters, 2 stud shooters. It even has retractable landing gear. It comes with this ladder, this ground crew little cart, and a toolbox. The wings open, of course, and even the cockpit opens. And there's room for 1 pilot and 1 BB-8 droid. So this is so much fun, and this is just huge. It's going to take so long to put together, which is the fun part. So let's get started. Done. Look at that. Poe's X-Wing Fighter. It's all done. There's Poe. Hi everybody. Beep, 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 beep. Other pilot. Comes our ground crew. Reload the missiles. Which are really cool, by the way. Let's test these things out. Oh, I did forget something actually. In this little box, together. There we go. These go right here. Two more little guns right here on the side. And those actually shoot too. I mean, this is a pretty cool Lego because the guns actually shoot. So let's just show you this right here. Okay, so this one, focus here, there we go. You just push on the side of that little gray part right here. And there it goes. And it really goes fast and far too. These little things are, might be kind of easy to lose, but these on the top, these also shoot. There's some kind of mechanism in here, and when you just push on the end a little, see if I can get it on the camera really good here. Gonna push that. Those shoot really far and fast as well. There you go. I should just kind of push it up snaps back in. Lock back in. Which will show, do that again. All you gotta do is push on it a little bit, and there it goes. Oh, my finger's in the way. Man, yeah, those shoot really good. So, I mean, how fun is that? Also, of course, it's an X-Wing. So, it's got to open up, right? Well, you just turn this little knob right here on the top, and the wings open, and they click. Oh, there goes one of my missiles. And it just clicks open, and it stays open. And you can see how the elastic right there, the blue, just holds the wings together, even though they're open. And then you just twist the top again, and they close. Also, we mentioned like that it has landing gear. This little foot right here on the front, it folds down and up so that it can hide right there underneath the plane as it flies. And at any time when it's flying, you can just easily twist this, and there you go. It's an X-Wing. So cool! I gotta find my missile I lost. It comes with 2 extra ones. But this one, oh, I see it. That's just on the ground. Here we go. I mean, they're not as tiny as these ones in the front, which is nice because those are really tiny, but there's our X-Wing. So awesome. I mean, this is a big, substantially sized toy right here, you know, so I mean, you could see any kid just having a blast with this, and gosh, it can craggle and glue it together and then it'll never come apart. It's pretty awesome. Well, thank you for watching. This has been Kids and Fun Toys, and have an awesome day. Please subscribe.